latency configuration. The CPU, smart and off-chip channel and have the number of 3 SK memory was hub from the 8 to 4. Each top link was released from the 4 range to 2 range. One release and integration in the CPU. The number of CPU memory group Neumann node double or the 2 of the number of network interaction from 2. Spark or ring configuration where brand data rate number of power limits number of node integration data transfer rate integration from 25 GB 28 GB link program release from 0 GB top simulation transfer into direct injection for the 4 cases to total injection band per node approximation twice at 1 to 4 package CPU memory up Bosque the connected with the C-axis to 3 active cable cages band each cable to the range from CPU package rank structure Bosque rank shift relative back rank top of rack dynamic package silicon on dynamic silicon strip mode upper layer total silicon package for a single range each single range total and independent physical layer in ordinary multiple range transfer physical layer and have main independent interface a higher number of the single range the normal operation mode keeper mode who visual case suits a package transfer router had a cooperation silicon packet at the normal operation mode keeper sleep mode silicon roots a dynamic package silicon deploy mode the upper limit dynamic axis layer high the mode sleep mode easiest inhibition controller back indicator of barrier resource number BC number of resource significantly increase all the barrier. The change integration support synchronize the CBMG. The rate of BCD weight increasing from the assuming an increase in the user registration algorithm performance evaluation environments put orienters layer broke down put through the integration rate to barrier evaluation individual evaluation environment TOF-D evaluation the hardware animation using the protection the RTL code the simulation mode was similar library including multiple mode a simulated process exchange test program the test program directly access to hardware resolution measure the simulation waveform and TOF and TOF2 evaluation use real machines real process exchange test program the test program uses a low-level communication library that was the maximum using process cycle count all regular back evaluation was obtained for a simulation waveform put balancing 8 put transfer between nodes of the same board that were raised for the wheels communication setting to the memory to raise to stop answer the back row the CPU the overall increasing talk has been released put through the order put a transfer between the some board major standard through the barrage message had talk all major extend 90% the talk increasing firmware has high broadband efficiency maximum package size and range and package simulation simulation put the transfer node total the injection rate of TOF-D was approximation 83%. That's all. TOF2, the efficient TOF1 lower than 90% because of the bottleneck with inverse contact CPU and ICC. The efficiency of TOF2 and TOF-D extends 90%. Integration into the process chip remote the back bottleneck. The barrier test program. Dotgram extended one process code, simply waveform analysis, number of BCH, number of users. The test program uses the following algorithm: the reduced algorithm of the TNA synchronization. The reduced double algorithm for the TNA synchronization simple extension was also calculated. Okay, the acquisition logic cycle evaluation, BJC communication, the number communication stage to evaluate result, explicit condition ratio, simple and result summary. Summary of the development. A post-game machine Tofu D design action dynamic packaging. The design Tofu D neutral combination CM the ranking package dynamic string based of barrel resource. The evaluation results of Tofu D relationship 0.49 which reduced 0.22 microsecond from the Tofu through was 6.35 gigabits per sec, and the efficiency extended to 90%. Injection rate was 38.1 gigabits per second, of which was approximately 83%. That was TOF2. The evaluation results showed that the necessary algorithm BHC was similar to TNI 富士通。はい、これで終わったんですよね。これで1個終わりましたね。発表で、ホットチップがパフォーマンスフォスケ2018チップ3ホットチップ、次ホットチップでいきます。ホットチップ30、これホットチップ70、資料データ、ハイパフォーマンス CPU ボス系コンピューター、吉田富士Limited、キーメッセージ、エクセル富士デザイン、ARM プロセッサー、エクセルファーストプロセッサー、ARM、コントリビュート、HPG アレイ、ARM マイクロシミュレーション、Overview、富士プロセスデベロップメント、富士デベロップメント、スケーラビリティ、DNA 富士DNA of which processor A64XX integrates DNA from which technology user machine Unix HP server high evaluation stability encryption compression high speed of flexibility CPU extended high through high performance per watt. A64FX designed for the HPC AI FX CPU with external high throughput, high performance. HPC AI the general processor CPU variation data type, high throughput, vector 512 bit wide SIMD 2 pipe core. Memory HBM2 external high BM scalability 48 core Tofu interaction high efficiency performance step tight standard chip overview architecture feature ARM V 8.2a AH64 only SVE 512 bit wide SIDM 48 computing core for assistant core. It's been 32 bit memory PCI range 7 nanometer fin FET transistor 1 mega transistor go 550 package single pipe have quick efficiency memory beds A64 feature collaboration with ARM developed optimized SVA wide range of application mass application Newly core pipeline extended anti-submarine features Spark 64 Interaction Superscale and ordered branch project extended process operator as operator. Further, for operator the pixel interaction for the directive performance interpreted mode. Has overview main pipeline with a package for the interaction operating extension unit, external high throughput special core, level chap, extension level L1 and kit throughput maximize core performance stemmed through the 512-bit wide SIMD load and the SML crossing to keep the same throughput contribute to get matching increasing data throughput get processing improved the HPC application interaction communication control simulation これ見ててget for the similar mainly core architecture, to contribution for the angle consistent core, the memory controller, one was the computer assistant to hide the demo for the kitchen, the control which will chip the access control project making extension through the catch processing mind, the CMD arrow, the NX camera for the one chip with main core, high broadband. High broadband external high bandwidth with cache and memory out of the machine core to catch a memory controller in its maximum calibration with layer broadband performance boost performance with microarchitecture enhancement 512-bit wide SIMD HBM2 and processor technology 2.5 times faster in HPC AI benchmark in SPAC 64XLFX. The latest banded which compared optimized for the ultra Raspberry benchmark performance, power management, activate animal murmur average estimated energy energy analyze power management power optimization for the provide management function application can be hardware configuration for the power knob energy mirror hardware configuration application with the mission cycle technology with the mission of surgical technology large system require extended RA capacity conducting and maximum cluster RA integration stability CPU stability software development Riken with the development software stack for the POSIX computer with the computer compare with optimize the micro performance with a Riken resolution performance summary A64FX is fast processor of ARM8 ASVE architecture. It is used to POSIX computer with probe microarchitecture achieve high performance in the HPC and AI areas which collaborated work the pattern and contributed to ARM ecosystem. We will continue to develop ARM processor withあとベータ FFX じゃあ今日はこれぐらいにしとこうじゃあこれお疲れ様でしたコンピューターアーキテクチャ